We have been covering the Asus Rog Phone 3 for a while now, and now we have a hands-on video that was posted on Sparrow News on YouTube. In the video, we can see that the phone has not changed much in terms of design, and the design, though different from regular phones, now looks outdated. We also see a bigger camera housing, which also brings in a possibility that the phone will have 3 cameras. In the video, you can see that the phone is a Tencent version, which means that this phone is a China version only. Just like the last phone, a budget version is expected to be launched in other regions. We can only hope that the stock availability doesn't become an issue as seen in the case of Asus Rog Phone 2. Okay guys, this was a quick video on the upcoming Asus Rog Phone 3. Do let me know in the comments section what you feel about the design of this phone. Stay at home, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.